Now we now here to generate the DAC curve. Press this DAC. Now let's go into another menu. First thing first, we need to turn on this DAC display. Okay. Now the other three buttons I will actually show you after I got the DAC curve generated. Press another time. We are now into this correction, and then DAC reference point. But the most important point is this DAC generator. Then we follow by pressing this. Now what we are doing now is we're going to generate the DAC curve. Okay. First thing first, there are two functions here: record and gate. Gate is actually for us to move the gate for the measurement purpose. Now record, it is now minimum. We need to key in 2 to 3 points in order to generate the curve. The best minimum is actually 3 points. All right. Now we are now going for the first point, and what we need to do is we get the maximum amplitude. Then the next one we need to actually activate this auto 80, whereby the amplitude of the pulse will be reduced to 80% of the full screen for easy evaluation. Okay. Now should this be confirmed is our first point, we just press this high and then enter to confirm it. Now we have successfully stored the first point. Okay. Now let's move to the second point, and this was the first point that we actually enter. Okay, let me share with you. On the screen here is showing 7.16. It's actually referring from the probe edge to the horizontal distance from a probe edge to this point, projected from here. And the next one, D, is actually stand for the depth. Okay, the whole depth from the surface. All right, as you can see. Okay, now let's go for the second point. First, we need to go for the second. All right, and we need to look for the second point. Okay, now we have got it. This will be the second point that we want. But important thing is let's get the maximum amplitude, and it's going to take some practice and patience, especially. Hang on. Okay. Now this is our first point. So it takes a lot of patience, a lot of patience. So I just wish to get it right. Okay, say this is my second point. Okay, now let's see. Let's move the gate on top of here. All right, the height. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, now this second point is actually 16.1 mm depth. Okay, 16.1 mm depth, and the distance is actually around 21.9 mm. So should this is our second point, we want to register it. We need to press this and then enter. So this will become our second point. Okay. Now let's go for the third point. Okay. Alright, I think this is our third point. Okay, hang on, let's move the gate. start, and yeah, alright. The depth is actually 20 mm. You can see here 20 mm. So it's actually referring to this hole. Okay. Now let's confirm this as our third point. So what we need to do is we select it to become the third point. Price is high, then we price this and confirm. So we have successfully determined our this 3 point. Now I wish to explain further. Oh, okay. Before that, let's save. Okay, save. Now, we will be able to view or adjust our this. Now, this is actually our reference curve, and this is our for the whole size for the floor that is actually larger than 1 mm, right? And this will actually work as a tolerance band. Whatever actually exceed this band, we will consider it as a reject. And for whatever actually lower than this reference point by 3 dB, we will actually say that, okay, the floor is small enough, we can actually accept. Okay.